Toyota has revealed a raft of updates to its Yaris Cross light SUV in Europe, including a more powerful hybrid and safety technology. Its aesthetic image has almost no changes. However, Toyota added a new finish, the so-called Premier Edition and GR Sport trim. The Premier Edition has new decorative paint called Urban Khaki, is included in combination with the glossy black roof. The powertrain is a new hybrid 130 powertrain, with Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid technology, featuring a 1.5-liter three-cylinder and more powerful electric motor produce 132 horsepower and 185 newton-meter of torque. Inside, all Yaris Cross models get new upholstery patterns and a soft lower instrument panel covering. There's a choice of 7.0 or 12.3-inch digital instrument clusters and 9.0 or 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreens. The safety has also been enhanced. First, the pre-collision system, with a deceleration assist feature providing smooth deceleration when you're slowing down behind a slower vehicle ahead, and a steering assist feature which detects a bend in the road ahead and adjusts steering force to ensure a smooth turn. Second, emergency driving stop system, which will sound a warning and then bring the vehicle to a gentle stop, turn on the hazards and unlock the doors if it detects no inputs from the driver. Third, safe exit assist, which detects if you're about to open your door in the path of a vehicle or cyclist. Fourth, rear seat reminder system, which provides a visual and audible alert to remind you to check if you've left a child or pet in the rear. The fifth, the adaptive cruise control has been updated for quicker response times and a more natural feel. Sixth, the lane centering function also promises a more natural feel. The new Toyota Yaris Cross can be reserved in Spain starting next December, while its first delivery is expected in the first months of 2024. Currently, its official starting price has not been revealed.